Hello guys, in today's video we will be covering how to do a proper boolean in Blender. Okay, let's start. Add an object you want to make holes with, of course. And this object possibly in the best way should extend the object you want to make hole. Okay, what I mean is you should extend this and make smaller of the object compared to you make a hole. I will show you in the next thing, next step, okay, why we should do that. Let's make a boolean, take the picker and take the object you want to make hole with. Okay, it shows when you move the picker and by name. Let's say cylinder 3 and I will make that invisible. As you can see, it made with faces with no smoothing. So if you want to make smoothing, just made the object shade auto smooth. Then when you open the object, see, it's auto smoothed. Just keep that in mind, and when you are done, as long as you make tab, it is not boolean yet and its modifier is still here. So make sure by this arrow make apply. So if we do not scale or extend the object, what should have happened? Let's see. I'm going to delete these. I make sure that, let's add boolean again. Take the picker, select these. You will have some problems. What I mean is you see some shading problems as normals. Why? Because it's the extent of the very next to the border of the object you want to make hole with. So the program has some conflict in it. Makes an buggy, kind of buggy face with it because it's right in the border of it. So make sure it's smaller than that. Also, we can make the objects bigger than that. What I mean is add a UV sphere, make sure it's auto smoothed, and make sure it's all transforms, okay, not location but scale matters here. So again, make boolean, pick the picker and select the object you want to apply. You can now delete it, and here you can see we made another boolean. But if I haven't applied the boolean yet, and if I move it, it will still work. I'm going to hide the sphere again, and you can see that we can still move it. Okay. The next step is the boolean settings. Okay, you want to make intersect of them, multiple objects, union and difference. We generally use difference by boolean, but generally, and we can say fast and exact. Exact generally works better, but sometimes you can do fast and it just works and you don't face any problems. But sometimes you face some face area problems. Maybe in the future videos I can show that. Also that we can add multiple objects, okay? What I mean is add a boolean object like that. Add one there. And I'm going to add a cylinder in the main area by 90. I make it smaller. And I'm going to extend this until the end, far from it. I make sure that they all have auto smooth and they are in scale transforms, okay? And now I'm going to join them and make boolean by selecting these. See, you have problem. When I hide these, the first one works, but make sure that they don't interact with each other, so you can problems like that. It cannot generate it very well. So make sure that the joint objects have different have some gap with them, or make them quad and joint. So you have to make the right topology. I'm going to delete these and I should shut down that magnet. I make sure this extends again. I'm going to show how to do an multiple object Boolean. By Shift E I duplicate them. Also make a small one. And I want to make one in the vertical one. Okay, now I join them, make them join, and I'm going to select them. See, we have no problems this time in the exact one. So when I hide them, you can see that we have perfect holes. That's it.